Welcome to the video lecture of C programming. So today we will discuss our next program, that is C programming for the matrix multiplication. So in order to multiply two matrices, we need A matrix which is multiplied by B matrix, and we will be getting the C matrix, which is nothing but our resultant matrix. So that is nothing but A into B is equal to C, where A is a 3 cross 3 matrix, B is also 3 cross 3 matrix, and whatever the multiplication we are doing between A and B, that matrix will be stored in the matrix C, which will be of 3 cross 3 matrix. So for example, we have taken this is a matrix which comprises of these elements, and it is size is 3 cross 3 matrix, and this is the B matrix which has these elements, and even the size of this matrix is 3 cross 3 matrix. So there is a condition. So the condition for matrix multiplication to happen is that is the column of first matrix, it has to be equal to the row of the second matrix. So here 3 and 3 they are equal, then only the matrix multiplication is possible. If the column of first matrix is not equal to the row of the second matrix, then multiplication will not happen. So this is one example we have taken. So this is the two matrix, and we are going to perform multiplication between A and B. And when we are going to perform multiplication, A matrix we have to go in this direction, and B matrix we have to go in a downward direction. So if we are multiplying A and B, so 2 into 3 will 2 into 3 plus 3 into 6 plus 1 into 3. So we are going in this direction, in forward direction, and B is computed in a downward direction. Similarly, 2 into 5 plus 3 into 7 plus 1 into 5. Again 2 into 4 plus 3 into 8 plus 1 into 4. Similarly, these all terms can be multiplied, and whatever the resultant matrix what we will be getting, that will be 3 cross 3 in size. So we can represent the elements of the matrix by making use of the indexes, that is B of 0 0 so here B of 0 0 will give me 3. So this is the B matrix, and the indexes is 0 1 2 0 1 2. So B of 0 0 is nothing but this is 3. Similarly, in order to access the index, that is 2 1, we are going to get the element 6. So we make use of indexes to represent the element in the matrices. So in order to read two-dimensional array, we require two loops, that is I and j. So for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 2, because array means the index, it is going to start from 0, that is 0 1 2. So I is less than equal to 2, I plus plus. Similarly, for j is equal to 0, j less than or equal to 2, j plus plus, and scanf percentage d a of ij. So in this way we can read the elements of the matrix. So this is the resultant answer what we got after multiplication of A and B, and we can represent this individual value with the help of this indexes. That is, so this 0 0 represents 2, and this 3 represents 0 0. Similarly, this 3 represents 0 1, and 6 represents 1 0. So these are the indexes which I am representing according to the elements, and we can say that for each calculation the transition occurs from 0 1 2. So we are going to represent it as a variable k for the different transition that is happening in the matrix multiplication, and the initial value will be considered as I index, and the last value will be considered as a j index. So the crux of the code for the matrix multiplication is mentioned below, that is C of ij plus A of ik into B of kj, and whatever the multiplication or whatever the resultant answer we will be getting, that will be stored in this matrix C of ij, and this we are going to display to the user. So this is the main logic or the main concept behind the matrix multiplication. Now let's go to the our main program, C program. So we are going to include stdio.h, since we are making use of printf and scanf. So this printf and scanf functions are present in this header file #include stdio.h, and always I said that our C program execution starts from the main function. So here I am making use of three matrix, that is A matrix, which is a two-dimensional matrix, that is 10 10 I have given, B of 10 10 and C of 10 10. So these are the three matrices which I am declaring of type int, and I required m and n. This is the size of the matrix A, and P and Q it is going to represent the size of matrix B, and this I, J, K are nothing but the indexes of the matrix. Now we are going to prompt a message for the user, that is enter the order of matrix A, which is of m and n. So we are going to read it with the help of scanf, that is %d ampersand of n ampersand of m and n. Similarly, I am going to prompt again message, that is enter the order for the matrix P, and I am going to read it with the help of the scanf function. Now I am going to check a condition, that is if n is not equal to P, then matrix multiplication is not possible. Try again. So I said that the condition for the matrix multiplication to happen is the column of first matrix has to be equal to the row of the second matrix. So for this we are going to check this condition, that if the column of first matrix is not equal to the second matrix, row of the second matrix, then we are going to give a message that matrix multiplication is not possible. Try again with the different order of matrix. Otherwise we are going to execute this part, that is printf. We are going to ask for the user to enter the elements for the matrix A. So I said that in order to read the matrix we require two for loops, that is for I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus, for j is equal to 0, j less than j plus plus, and we are going to read it, that is scanf %d ampersand of A of ij. Now coming to the second element, that is in order to enter the elements for the matrix B, similarly I am going to make use of the same loop, that is for I and j, and I am going to read it in with the help of this ampersand of B of ij. So once we are done with the reading of matrix elements, now we will be doing matrix multiplication block. So for I equal to 0, I less than I plus plus, for j is equal to 0, j less than q, j plus plus. Initially we are going to initialize C of ij is equal to 0, because if you don't initialize with 0, whatever the resultant answer we will be getting, that will be in the form of a garbage value. So in order to get the correct output, first we need to initialize C of ij equal to 0, because C of ij is the one which we are going to ultimately that is our result which will be displayed to the user. So this we are initializing it with 0. So for k is equal to 0, k less than n, k plus plus, we are going to perform this operation as we said as I told in the theory part, that is C of ij plus A of ik into B of kj. So whatever the answer we will be getting, this will be stored in C of ij. So this C of ij we are going to display to the user, because that is our resultant matrix. So in order to display the result, I am going to give one message, that is the resultant matrix C is, again I am going to read with the help of two for loops for I and j, and ultimately I am going to print my resultant matrix, and I am going to return 0, since our main function I have used int main, so I have to return something. For that purpose I have used return 0. Now let's try to run it. So it is asking me enter the order of matrix A. So I will give 2 comma 2 space 2. Now it is asking me enter the order of matrix B. So this time I will give 3 space 2. This is a unsuccessful iteration, we can say, because it has to display matrix multiplication is not possible. Try again, because I am not giving the same size of matrix. Here 2 space 2 I am giving, and here 3 into 2 I am giving, which is not same. So this is a unsuccessful iteration, we can call. Once again, for the successful run I'll run it once again. This time I'll give 2 space 2, enter. Again I'll give 2 space 2. Now it will ask me enter the elements of matrix A. So I'll give 1 space 2, enter 3 space 4. This is the elements of matrix A. Now it is asking me enter the element for the matrix B. So I'll give 5 space 6, enter 7 space 8. So now I am getting the resultant matrix, that is 19 space 22, 43 space 50. So this is the resultant matrix of A and B, which we got in the form of a matrix C. So thank you.